In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the indentation of your text in a document, ensuring it looks just the way you need it to. Whether you're working on a professional report or a school assignment, managing text alignment and indentation is essential for readability and overall presentation. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this using simple steps in your word processor. To begin, locate the text box or the specific text that you want to adjust. Clicking inside this area will ensure that your changes apply to the correct section. Now, let's explore how you can modify the indentation using the toolbar commands. Once you've selected your text, head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll want to click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear, offering various formatting options. Look for the Align and Indent option and hover over it for more choices. Now, if your goal is to move your text to the right, select Increase Indent. This command shifts the text further to the right, providing it with more space from the left margin. It's perfect when you want to highlight a paragraph or nest a list. On the other hand, if you find that you've moved the text too far and would like to reverse it, simply select the Decrease Indent option. This action moves your text closer to the left margin, allowing you to find the right balance and spacing that fits your document's style. Alternatively, if you're comfortable using the ruler tool, you can adjust indentation through it as well. First, ensure that the ruler is visible in your workspace. To do this, navigate to the View menu at the top of your screen. Once there, choose Show Ruler. By enabling the ruler, you gain an additional way to control text alignment with precision. With the ruler visible, look for the left indent marker. This appears as a small triangle on the ruler. To indent your selected text, click and hold this triangle, and then drag it rightwards. As you move the marker, you'll notice your text adjusting in real time. This method is particularly useful if you prefer a more hands-on approach to setting precise indents. And that's it. With these techniques, you can easily manage text indentation, making your documents look clean and professional. Take the time to experiment with both methods and find the one that best suits your style. Remember, the key to beautiful document formatting is consistency and clarity. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you achieve just that. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy formatting!